details and get the first step of your nutrition. You know, you can have a conversation with nutritionists, you can have a healthy conversation, you can get your diet charts. Like I said, you get a consultation free.
Yes.
So at least it's a beginning, where you begin to understand what is it that is being spoken about, what is new, what is different, what is it that I can do. And this can be done from your home, when your child is in school, your mother-in-law is busy with something else, and your husband is busy in office, and you can put it and do it in 5 minutes. They're very easy steps. I'm sure we will show it to you how it is to be done. Very easy, very, very user-friendly. And it is something, like I said, it's not something that every woman's not going to be able to pick herself up and go and find the nutritionist or find the fitness trainer. It's not done. We can say it should be done, but it cannot get done. The mindset is very different. This is something which is very doable.
Yes.
And that's the beauty, I think, of healthy conversations.
And just one quick question regarding this, Sonali. See, regular women, whether it's women who are in the media or like you just said, everyone's now becoming a celebrity, everyone's become very conscious about the way they're looking. They have the understanding of consulting an expert. Why do you think a regular woman, how do we egg them on to take a consultation from an expert? Why should most women think मुझे तो पता है क्या खाना है, मैं घर का खाना बनाती हूँ. Why should I have to go to an expert to find out what I should eat? How do we egg them to take that step?
Because like I said, world is changing, society is changing, your food is changing, and we really, first thing, like I said, through this you come to know how much the food is changing. We've all been talking about it with a lot of women. I meet a lot of mothers who are aware, who know that things are changing. But how do I get the right information? See, right information is very, very important. And it's knowledge, and knowledge is more precious than anything else. And this is what this conversation is going to give you. It's going to give you knowledge on what is lacking, where do you stand in your health quotient, what is it that, oh, you're good, you just need to keep this up. It's also a good thing to know.
Yeah.
And oh no, you're falling far behind, you need to really kind of get there. Or you're okay, you just need to do a little more. Whatever it is, it's good to know where you stand and what you need to do from there. Before, everything comes kind of crashing down and you're running up health bills in the hospitals, which are so expensive. It's better that you start preventing it, start taking care of yourself, and hence taking care of not only your family's health, but your financial health too.
Yeah, absolutely.
May I just add on to that? So, I think a few themes we heard. One of the themes was about making things convenient.
Yes.
And I think what we've really done, as Sonali said, is use technology. So we've tied up with this platform called Librent, which allows very easy access to these experts. You need to type in a few of your details, take the health quotient, and depending on that, your customized diet chart will come in, and then if you need, then the next step comes in. When you want, you can have a consultation, right? And I think in today's world, especially for women, because they're multitasking so much, I think expert advice is really required. Because that can set you on the course. I mean, we heard from Yasmin. I mean, why do people go to Yasmin? She's an expert, right? And here, expert is at your fingertips. So that's using technology to bring convenience, which I think can be easily used without really taking too much time.
Thank you so much.
Also, if you could explain, I think it's a great idea if you could just tell them a little bit more about Librent, because it just is a wonderful platform.
It is. So, Librent is a wonderful platform which actually talks on various issues concerned with health. It's very user-friendly. It's an app which can be downloaded on any smartphone. It's got a big panel at the back of nutritionists, health consultants, experts, which you can go out to, and anyone can use it. It's extremely user-friendly. And which is why we brought them on board.
So, I think it's time for us to launch the look of this campaign. So, can I request you to join us now? conversations. Quickly tell us, how can a woman participate in this? How does she gain access?
I think we've made a really helpful video, and could we just have that? I think it'll explain it much better than
Hello, good afternoon to all this last Spicy Stars company. It was Sonali that what are the three qualities you would like to see to this woman?
today's woman.
Yeah.
What are the three qualities? I think I would really like today's woman to pay more attention to herself and understand the fact that her health is the family's health, the society's health. Very, very important. Second thing is, again, related to the same thing. I think that first topic covers most of it. But yes, do take care of what nutrition goes into you. Fitness is very, very important. And being fit is not being thin. I think you have to be fit and strong, not just emotionally and mentally, which women are known for, but physically also. And that is strength and fitness, not just being thin.
Any other questions? Yes.
Hi, my name is Sukanya Sharma. I just want to know, so we're talking about women's health and we talk that they need to start taking care of themselves. Like the conscious needs to come earlier. Is it important to teach girls before we actually go to women and tell girls when they're young that, this is very important to you? Like when, obviously in school they talk about menstruation, right? So yeah. So when they talk about menstruation cycle, that is the time when actually girls are going through a hormonal change. Is it important at that time to tell them that, okay, this is the time you need to start taking care of your health?
I think Pooja put it really well when she spoke on the panel, when she said that, we are taught to address various relationships, but not the relationship with our food. I completely agree. We need to start, and that's why I said the change of mindset is very important. There are daughters, our nieces, our friends' daughters. We as women need to tell the other women and girls too about how the nutrition and their health is important, and the relationship with their own bodies is very, very important.
Thank you.
But sometimes when you take care of your own self, act like
Said you do before you don't want to run after your children. Your mom-in-law will feel that you're selfish. What do you have to say about that?
Hopefully, my mom-in-law being a woman that she is, and I'm saying this way, we address all the women. When we say women need to help women, I think mother-in-laws are completely included in it. Mother-in-laws, they need to take care of their own health, take care of the health of their daughter-in-law, daughters, granddaughters, etc., etc., etc. That's what I mean by the change in mindset. But having said that, that is a very, very important point, especially in our country. And we do live in joint families, and there are a lot of I'm very lucky to have a very supportive family. And everybody is not that lucky. They need to make a lot of changes. And that's why when we talk about healthy conversations, it's so important, because what if that woman can't really go out there and talk to a nutritionist? This is where in your time, all you have to do on your phone is log on to this site, fill in, and there's simple 5 questions. They're so simple, the questions. Basic, simple questions that will give you your health quotient. And there's this huge panel on Liberate, which will help you with your various queries. You can talk to them. It's like literally like a WhatsApp message that you do to your friends, and you're on a group chat and you're asking various questions. All you have to do is do the same thing, and there are these various experts who are going to help you with it. So I don't think your mother-in-law even needs to know then if you're on that conversation or not.
Anyone else has any questions for Sonali or Support? Anyone?
You know, what are the three things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with any brand?
अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं तो थोड़ा ध्यान दे के ब्रांड्स चूज़ करते हैं. सो लाइक द ब्रांड चूजेस यू, यू ऑल्सो चूज़ दैम. देयर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट इट नीड्स टू बी if to my best of my ability, I try and see if what I'm saying is the truth or not, and I really want to be truthful when I say this helps. So that is something that I look at, and to the best of my ability, I try and check that out before I do it.
Okay, tell us your situation with Revital, you know.
Because like I was saying that it was something जब Revital मेरे पास आए और उन्होंने कहा कि we would like you to be the brand ambassador. सबसे पहले बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये थी कि Revital एक वुमन था जो पहले मैंने नहीं सुना था. Revital तो हम बहुत सालों से बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन Revital एच वुमन. तो सबसे पहला सवाल ये था कि वुमन व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस. तो जब उन्होंने मुझे समझाया और मैंने अपने डॉक्टर से भी ये पूछा, सो आई रियलाइज दैट इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड विमेंस हेल्थ इज़ डिफरेंट. और कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिनको फोकस करना चाहिए, जिनकी तरफ ध्यान देना चाहिए. एंड हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट विमेंस हेल्थ इज़ वो तो मैं खुद भी समझ चुकी थी. एंड आई कुड सी इट वेयर माई मदर इन लॉ, वेयर माई मदर, वेयर माई सिस्टर्स इन लॉ, everybody was concerned. You can see it around you. So I thought it was a very, very good initiative. Or also I feel that as a brand, Revital has been very responsible. तो उन्होंने सिर्फ अपना ब्रांड प्रमोट नहीं किया है, बट उसके साथ कुछ अच्छी शुरुआत की है. And that I think is a very, very, very important and a good thing.
Okay, on a very lighter note, I hope you take it on a lighter note. Does Sonali Bendre is so fit she need Revital or not?
But like I said कि lighter note पे नहीं, serious note पे बताऊँ कि I'm not fit enough. And I wish I was more fit, and I do need health supplements, and I think everybody does in today's day and age. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं और फिट हो जाऊँ, क्योंकि मैं बार बार ये कहती हूँ कि फिट मतलब सिर्फ दुबला पतला होना नहीं है, but I want to be strong, and I want to be I want to have my muscle, and I want to be able to keep up with my son, with my child and his antics.
Anybody in the industry want to become
एक्ट्रेस है जिसे आप फिट मानते हैं?
In fact, आजकल बहुत ऐसे हैं जो फिट हैं, और which is an amazing thing, but where I think I have a long way to go, but I'm getting there. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ, और I'm going to be I'm being very serious about it. So yes, I'm going to join the ranks soon also.
anybody?
Yes.
पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स को जिस तरह से बैन किया गया है,
I think I just answered it.
अपने अपने ओपिनियन रख रहे हैं, तो आपका ओपिनियन क्या
But मैंने अभी ओपिनियन दे दिया था. I think मैं बोल चुकी हूँ जो मैंने बिल्कुल frankly आंसर किया है.
एक बार
क्योंकि audio, there's an audio problem. I will be very honest. It won't.
Okay. You promise you're not going to edit it in the wrong.
No.
Considering कि ये जो strikes हुए हैं अभी, surgical strike जो इंडिया ने किया है, I think we are very, very proud of our army and of our government also कि एक अलग initiative ली गई है. So I'm very, very proud of this movement that has happened. And having said that, आज I think the producers body ने already ban किया गया है. तो if they are not your friends, and if you're cutting the relations in business, every business should stop. And of course that should be the, considering जो समय है, it should be the norm of the day, and it should be applicable to everybody.
सोनाली, जिस तरह से ये सारी बातें निकल के आ रही हैं,
I think we've answered it.
Yes,
Now we should
yes,
go on
yes.
to Revital
Yes.
H woman, please. Yes. जी.
Yes. Sonali, what happened?
है कि इसी के
Sonali,
Yeah.
what happened on professional front was that?
So I think मैं कहती रही हूँ कि मैं उतना काम नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन I just realized कि पिछले 2 साल मैंने continuously काम किया है. अजीब दास्तां है, ये fiction show किया, and उसके साथ साथ मेरे दो नॉन फिक्शन शोज थे वो हुए. उसके बाद में वो फिर से बाय द टाइम आई फिनिश्ड अजीब दास्तां हैं, ये वो शोज़ फिर से आ गए, ड्रामेबाज, मिशन सपने. आई जस्ट रियलाइज़ कि पिछले 2 साल मैंने कंटिन्यूसली काम किया है. तो फ़िलहाल मैं थोड़े महीने कुछ ब्रेक लेना चाहती हूँ, खुद को गैदर करना चाहती हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू गेट माई हाउस इन ऑर्डर, और फिर वापस कुछ शुरू करूँगी. वो क्या है वो आई डोंट नो येट.
Would you love to direct some?
नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक डायरेक्शन एक बहुत स्पेशलाइज्ड जॉब है, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम ट्रेन्ड फॉर इट. सो फिलहाल या तो मैं ट्रेनिंग लूँ, फिलहाल आई एम नॉट ट्रेन्ड फॉर इट.
Given a choice, किसी एक फीमेल डायरेक्टर के साथ, though we having so many female directors in the industry, you know, फराह खान, कल्पना लाजमी, मीरा नायर, किसी को असिस्ट करना चाहेंगी? If you want, as you said, कि मुझे डायरेक्टर.
Well, I really don't think I want to assist anybody, क्योंकि मैंने डायरेक्शन के बारे में उतना सोचा नहीं है. I have my plate full. But having said that, we have some wonderful female directors. I really admire Farah. I do admire Zoya, I do admire Gauri Shinde. So there are a lot of them over here who are amazing, and it would be wonderful to work with some of them also, but assisting them is not something that I have done.
लास्ट सवाल, आई होप यू टेक इट ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट। कल
आहा।
कल कल फिर कश्मीर पे हमला हुआ है,
जी।
हमारे जवानों पे हमला करा गया
जी।
आतंकवादियों के माध्यम से। कितनी निंदा करती हैं और कितना 2 अक्टूबर के दिन खास करके इट हैपेंड इन बारामूला।
जी, आई थिंक मैंने उसके बारे में ट्वीट भी किया है, एंड आई थिंक वी हैव डेल्ट विद इट वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुली, एंड you can say that it's not something that one wants to say all the time, but it is like being in a state of war. It's proxy war, and it's amazing how it has been countered. और I think हम इसके लिए कहीं पे वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट ऑल्सो, और भी जगह पे ये चीज़ें होने की फुल कंप्लीट संभावना है, एंड आई थिंक वी आर ऑल एज इंडियन सिटीजन्स वेरी प्राउड ऑफ आवर आर्मी, एंड वी आर कम्प्लीटली इन नो डाउट अबाउट इट कि और ये चीज़ें होंगी, एंड वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, आर्मी इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, and I feel that it was the right move, what we did and what our government did.